My name is Wilm Uhlenbecker. I'm responsible for Festo North America, and we're actually here at the Hannover Fair. It is for us our 100th anniversary, so that's a very important topic. We also have been here at this fair for 76 years. So there's a lot of history with Festo, and the way you may know Festo is on the pneumatic side. But when you see this booth here and what we display, we have much more to offer than only the pneumatic. We call it seamless automation, which means we are basically connecting pneumatic and electric actuation, also with control units with vertical integration. So it's much more than just the pneumatic portion of it. We also, and that is also very important for us for Canada, we have a didactic department, which I believe will be very, very important in the future, not just in Canada, but also in the US with all the nearshoring going on. On top of it, what's also, I think, nice for me to share, we have our 50th anniversary for Festo Canada, so that also coincides with the 100th anniversary. In terms of the markets, we have to distinguish in North America between the Canada market, the US market, and the Mexican market. They're actually fairly different. When we look, for example, at Canada, we are the market leader in pneumatics, but we definitely are focusing heavily now on also the electric automation in order to, let's say, move up the business, move up our market share, and therefore also become a well-known supplier for that kind of technology. When you look in Mexico, we are also in a very good position. In the US, we still have to work more and harder in order to drive our market share up. So how do we want to do that? We are working, of course, on the pneumatic side, but also there we introduce the electric automation much more now. We also do the seamless automation, as I mentioned earlier, which we also display here at the fair. So we will go into the US market in different channels. We have different growth areas in different industry segments. The beauty is we are very much diversified, so even if one segment, like for example automotive, is not doing well right now, we have other areas where we are striving and we are winning market share. I believe, for me personally, the difficulty will be how does all these tariff discussions play out. I guess no one knows. Your guess is as good as mine is. But it creates a certain uncertainty in the market, which we have to deal with, as do obviously our customers. So for us it's important to stay flexible, to stay agile, and also to do more local for local in the future. So one of the main exhibits here at the show, and we just built it fresh for this show, is what we call the Incredible Machine. It basically shows you from the history of Festo all the way to what is the newest technology we have to offer. It goes from pneumatic over to process automation, all the way to piezo technology.